Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you beautiful tribal art, Gond art. I always tell my students that learning to talk about your art is as important as creating the art itself. So in this video, first I will tell you about what is Gond art, what are the motifs, how it is originating. In the second section, we will create this beautiful painting together. I've done this on cardboard, but you can do it on paper or canvas as well. If you want to directly skip to the artwork, you can choose to do so. I have put different sections in this video. So let's get started. Gond paintings come from the Gond tribes or Bhil tribes from Madhya Pradesh, and the central theme is celebrating the wonders of nature. These paintings are characterized by intricate patterns and vibrant colors. Generally, they use primary colors or very bright colors in their paint. The traditional Gond artists use colors which are derived from nature, sap of plants, charcoal, and even cow dung. Most common theme of Gond paintings is the tree of life, which shows the interdependence of different beings on each other. Dots and dashes are unique to this art style, and they come from a mythological tale of Naga Baikin. She is the goddess of Gond tribe, and one day she clad her entire body just like tattoos with dots and dashes to hide her nakedness. Let's talk about the typical patterns that are used in this art. Dots, fine lines, curved lines, dashes, fish scales, drops of water, bead shapes, and different geometrical shapes. What are the different subjects in Gond art? Peacocks, birds, crabs, lizards, lions, tigers, deers, snakes, wild boars, cows, monkeys, elephants, horses, and fish. Like I said, Mahua tree is the central tree of life in Gond painting. Gond tribes believe that seeing a good image brings good luck in their homes. That is why on all festivals, weddings and good occasions, they do Gond paintings on their walls and floors. Now let's get to creating our own first Gond painting. I'm doing this on a square cardboard of 8 into 8 inches. I'm going to be using acrylic colors and some brushes and one black marker to create this painting. You can also use gouache colors, sketch pens, other markers to create this art. You can do it on paper or on a canvas. I start by painting my background in white acrylic colors. You might need 2 or 3 layers. I have done 2 layers here so that the background is completely opaque. Now I take my black marker and I start drawing the design. This is a very simple design with 3 fishes sitting on a grass. You don't need to worry about accuracy, just draw the way you feel like, because Gond art is all about expression and nature. My design is now ready. Now I'm choosing a very bright, vibrant orange to color the body of this fish. You can choose any bright color from your color palette. Let's do this together. Now I mix my orange with a bit of white so that it becomes a little duller and color the rest of the fish. Let's use a grey shade to color the tails and the head of these fishes. I'm using yellow ochre to color the head and the tail of the second fish. And now a very bright royal blue in the middle body of this fish. Now comes the grass. I've used 3 shades of green to give some vitality to this image. I've used bottle green, leaf green and emerald green in parts. You can use whatever greens are available in your palette. Now I'm taking a thin brush and outlining everything with black color. Outline just gives a bit of solid structure to the image. I could have used a marker, but marker was not looking very effective. That's why I chose to do it with my brush. As we paint the eye, the fishes start to come alive. Once the coloring and outlining is done, now comes the part where we add beauty to this art. I'm taking my black marker and creating some lines, dots, dashes to add volume to these paintings. See, I'm using a V-shape motif to cover the entire grass with black marker. For the body of the fish, I am going to use curved lines. These are concentric curves. Look carefully. I am making a dot and then making curves around it. For the middle fish, I am using a different design. I am using fish scales, which you can do by making U shape repeatedly. Then in the tails, I am making lots of dots with black color. You can do it with your marker. I am using a dotting tool, but you can use a pen or a pencil, dip it in ink and start dotting. The eyes will come alive as soon as I put a white dot. See for yourself. After this, I am again doing some dots wherever there are intersection points between the scales of the fish. Our painting is ready now. Look at how beautiful it has turned out to be. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more.